Now in this video we'll see some proof that x plus 1 is a tautology. Means page number 70 it's given, this program, this expression is given. So here we have to prove x plus 1 is a tautology. How we can prove it? We have to write here x and 1. Means here it is given x and 1, so we have to take it x and 1, and here we write 0 and 1, 0 and 1 value, here 1 1. So when we write like this, because we have to prove that x plus 1 is a tautology. So when we do this, when we add this one, 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 1. So it's when this is called a tautology. Why? Because where there is in the truth table, there is the possibilities of 1 will come, the possibility only once it will come, 1 in a column, in all it has all ones. Then in the column, if it is 1, then this is called a tautology concept. Now we'll prove there's a contradiction. We have to prove it in this one. X plus x dash is a tautology, and x and this is dot is called over here and. So and x dash is a contradiction. How we can prove it? We just write here x and x dash. Only two premises are there. X and x dash. One premises is there, that is x and x dash. So we write 0 1 1 1. Now when we add this two concept x plus x dash, then 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. Now when we add this, basically here we are not adding, we are seeing the disjunction rule. What happens if there is possibility of 0? If there is one possibilities of 1 is given, the result will come 1. So 0 1 is 1 and 1 1 is 1. Now when we do this and, means not and when x and x dash. Now when we do the rule of that rule, according to the rule, if there is x, if there is in this one, we have to see it over here, that is if 0 1 is, it will come 0 1 is 0 and 1 1 is 0. It will come when we do this x plus x dash, means 1 x and x dash, x and x dash. When there is 0 1, then the output will come 1, and it is 1 1 is also there, then it will come 0. So this is called contradiction concept. Means where there is 0 it will come, means here we can say it has all zeros. Here you can see it is it's in truth set, it is all a 0, and it is here all are ones. This is called what? A tautology, and this is called tautology concept, and this is called contradiction concept. Okay, now next we'll see some truth table, or before going to start the truth table, we have to see here something, because when we have premises, we have to see here conclusion. Here using with the premises or taking with the premises, that is conclusion always draw with the two methods. When conclusion always draw with two methods. Two methods means conclusion means the result, conclusion. Now using with the two method, that is truth table method, and one is next is algebraic method. We'll see how we can draw the conclusion using with the premises, and what is called the premises over here. Now next is called here, premises are called, here you can see the premises is called P and Q, or we can say that AB is a premises. Now to draw the conclusion, we use always what? Premises. We have to use premises, either PQ or AB we have to use to draw the conclusion. How we can draw the conclusion? We'll see this one with the example. When we draw the conclusion when we draw the conclusion from the logic statements, when we draw the conclusion with the logic statement, is called syllogism. The process is called syllogism process. Now to draw the conclusion. Now, for example, if we have premises P and P is conditional to Q, there is premises P and P is conditional to Q, inference with Q means towards, we can also say that towards Q, we can also say that towards Q, inference, basically we can call it over here inference means towards Q, when we see towards Q. Now premises P and P is conditional to Q, inference to Q means towards Q, when it will go towards it, when it will move towards Q, when it will move move to this Q means towards P towards Q, it's going to P towards Q. Now here there is two premises, that is we can set as a P1 and P2, like P is one premises and P2 is premises 2 is a P conditional to Q. There is two premises are there. Now how we can draw the conclusion? Conclusion can be drawn. Conclusion can be drawn with the symbol C and Q, because here it is given inference or towards Q, so we can write it like that. We can write it like this: P, we write it over here, P and P conditional to Q, the result will come Q. Okay, so because here it is inference or it is going towards Q, so the result will come, that means the conclusion will come Q, means conclusion, not the Q, it will just it's a conclusion, that is Q. Now we'll just see over here, there is we have to see two things over here, that is P is conditional to Q and conjunction and operator, P and P is conditional to Q. Here when we write like this, P1 means premises P1 and P premises, and this is called AND operator. P1 means premises 1 into, sorry for that, P and P1 and P2 is conditional to conclusion, means conclusion C, is the symbol C. Now we write like this: P and P is conditional to Q, reference or inference towards Q. How we can write with a truth table, we'll see in this video only. Now you can see this. Now you can see in this one you can see it that here we have to take P and Q, and next we have to take P conditional to Q and P conditional to Q. Now we'll see this first one, that is P, we have to write the possibility of 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now when we do this P conditional to Q, because it will give in the question P conditional to Q, as it is given in your book also, P is conditional to Q, so we have to write here P conditional to Q. When you see the conditional statement, then when there is P is 1 and Q is 0, then the result will come 0, otherwise in all situation it will come 1. Now when we do this one, P and P is conditional to Q, means this P, it is asking telling about this P and this also. Now in between there is a and is used, means the dot operator, so we have to see this and this. So in this, when we come according to the rule, when we do this one P and, when we do this P and P conditional to Q, means we have to see this one and this table. Now according to the rule it will be what, because here it is given and, so when we check the condition according to the and means conjunction, when we see the conjunction rule, it is what, when there is two ones is there, then the result will come 1. If there is both will be 1, then the result will come 0, otherwise in every situation it will come 0. Now will come to this one. We have to see this table, and we have to see inference means it towards Q. It is given towards Q. So we have to see this table towards Q, means here to here. We have to see from this side to this side. So we have to see from this side to this. So we have to see here, and it is given here one. We have to see it here. It is given conditional operator, like this one operator. It is showing towards or with inference with Q, means towards Q, means conditional to Q. It is conditional to Q. So we have to see from here to here, but the operator is given, conditional operator is there. So we have to see from here to there. Now how we can see this? According to the given condition, if both in the conditional one, what happens when we see it is when we because according to the conditional rule, when there is P is 1 and Q is 0, then the result will come 0. Otherwise, in all situations, it will come 1. But it is just opposite of it, because we are seeing from this to this side, just opposite side. Then what happens? We have to see here. Here you can see this is 1 and this is 1. So result will come 1. Result will come 1, because and here all the zeros are given. There is no any 1. If there is 1 and there is 0, then the result will come 0. But here there is no 1. As you can see, there is no 1, only 0, 0, 0 is given. So when we see 0 and 1, 0 and 1, 0 and here 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, it's coming. So all it will come 1. Why? Because it is not satisfied. There is no any specific condition. There is no any specific condition is written of the conditional statement. When there is 1 and there is 0, then it will come. If there is P is 1 and Q is 0, then only it will come 0. Otherwise, in every situation it will come 1. Same like over here. If it is both are 1, so it will come 1. And as you can see from here to there, no, here to there means P, this table to this table. So there, as you can see, there is no 1 is given. No, there is no 1. So so all will become 1. All will become the result, or means all it the result will come, means the conclusion can be drawn 1. Means at the last we have to see all the we have to see the conclusion. Means whenever we have to draw the condition, or when we have to prove the conclusion, or when we have to draw the condition conclusion, then the conclusion always it will come. Always it will come. It will come. It will come, means the result will come 1. Means it will come. It means it is all it will come 1. Okay. So we have to, hence it is established that P and P is conditional to Q. Means we can write like this, P and, or we can write like this, P and P is conditional to Q. We write like this, P and P is conditional to Q. P is conditional to Q is inference. Inference also we can write, or we can write it. Inference also we can write, or we can write towards, or we can write the conclusion. Conclusion is drawn is Q. Conclusion is drawn Q. The result is coming towards, just a second, towards. We have to write inference, or we can write it over here, over towards Q. So I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.